Let's get into it. Okay, let's see how far we can get today. Yeah.
So, it seems you killed Krauser too. How shall I return my appreciation?
What are you talking about? I thought he was with you.
What are you talking about? Did you really think I'd trust an American? To tell you the truth, I was contemplating how to get rid of him. But thanks to you, that's no longer necessary.
You were just using him right from the start.
Oh, I must hand it to you. You've demonstrated quite a bit of promise by killing Krauser. When your assimilation with Las Plagas is complete,
Las
I'll have
Plagas.
you serve as
Dude,
my guard.
you're late to the party, but better late than never.
Unfortunately,
How's it
I'm
going,
gonna have
dude?
to decline the generous offer. I have prior engagements.
Enjoy your smart mouthing while you can.
Yeah, but well, I am trying to play the whole franchise. So far I've played through 0, 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, so I played those games already. But yeah, welcome to stream Catastrophe 1711.
Verifica la presión de esa válvula.
Agárralo! You know, this game is really good, man. It's I think it's the longest one in the franchise. It's been quite lengthy, but it's been enjoyable. It's been enjoyable. Like some sections have been quite difficult. Though. Some sections yeah, it can be quite difficult at times. Oh, it's a helicopter.
Hey, it's about time.
Get to the chopper.
Sorry, bad traffic. I'll cover you.
Oh wait, he's my friend. Oh, I thought he was an enemy. Is he a friend or what? What is it?
Llénalos de polvo.
What? They've got RPGs? What the fuck?
Allí está.
Where's this man's? I know. Now do we have to get to the 400 members? Okay. The only spoiler I'll give you is once you beat the game, you unlock the stealth mode, and you try to kill as many ganados as possible in the time allotted. Okay. Does that like does it add to the story though? Like is that like canon?
Now that's what
Yeah,
I
no,
call
yeah. My friend told me about it. Yeah,
Name's
yeah,
Mike.
mercenaries.
You looking for
Oh no.
firepower, you come to the right place.
Oh, mercenaries. All right, what do I do here? What time is it? How's it going, dude? How did you go with Silent Hill 4, man? Yeah, sorry I couldn't stay too long. I was watching at work. Oh shit! Can I not jump over here? And we have this get a new episode of Fisting with the King. I know, dude. What should I get though? What should I get? Should I get Mexican food or? It's just mindless. Oh, okay. So just okay, gotcha. Gonna kill enemies. Am I going the right way? I'm not sure. Also, this game is very loud. Sorry, guys. The game is very loud. Let me know if the game is too loud for you guys. how did you guys? How did your dad go with the workout, dude? Yeah, oh shit. Ah. Oh wait, what the fuck? No, I messed up. I think I put it in the. Oh shit. Oh no, no, the bath? No, I put it in the laundry. Alright. Oh fuck me. So wait, am I just supposed to kill things here? Sorry. But you can unlock another mini stories mode where you can play as Ada Wong. Oh really? That's kind of cool actually. Yeah, I love Ada. I've never played it, but heard others talk about it. It's an interesting game. Cool concept, but there's a lot of puzzles. Okay. I mean, like, I know that the game is supposed to be like not as good as not as good as like 2 and 3. Like 2 and 3 are supposed to be like the best games in the franchise. I guess I can make some of that combine. No, the hint is stop it. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Did you play this game on the PS2, Catastrophe, or on the GameCube or PC? I'm playing this on PC because I got the I got this like HD mod that came out like last month. Oh wow, I almost died. I'm bad. Oh my god, dude, I didn't see the guy. Fuck me. Oh, almost fucking died, dude. I'm gonna run. Oh, I died! Oh my god, I'm so mad at this game, dude. I'm crush. Dude, it takes a time to organize your inventory. My OCD is really triggered right now. Lamau. I know, dude. I mean, my inventory is pretty big right now, so... it comes from True. Oh wait, where am I? Oh yeah, I'm here. Give that. Oh wait, what the hell? There you go, bro. Right. Yeah, I'm playing with the mouse and keyboard, so yeah. Yeah, I'm just not very good with the controllers. So I do yeah. That I don't know. So which way do I wanna go? Do I wanna go this way or what? That's a fucking RPG. Wait, can I take it though? Wait, I can't take his RPG? This is fucking dumb, dude. Are you kidding me, bro? This game is like... You can't get the RPG? Oh, this game is ass, bro. Come on, what is this game, dude? How can you not get the RPG? Oh yeah, no, I think that's something that, it's supposed to be in all the games. Like, the more you die, I think the more damage they take. Can I just fucking go with this one? Oh, I don't know. Come here. Get closer. Ay, yeah! Yeah. Oh, I keep forgetting these guys. Yeah, Give me that. Oh shit. Okay, I don't know how the guy is not fucking like missing shots towards me, but he is. Oh, I need to heal though. Cause yeah, I don't wanna get too overconfident. I need to heal, alright? Yeah, heal. Oh goodness. Yeah, I'll try to finish it though. Yeah. Oh, not again, this guy. Alright, so let me mix that one combined with that and use it. There we go. No, the Hink is a scutter. I think it's a guy over here, right? Yeah. Wait, how's this guy not fucking dead, dude? Oh my god, oh, hit these guys. god, there's so many enemies! Holy shit, and they take so much fucking, like... I wish I had, actually, I'm gonna use this one, actually. Should I use the, I have to use it right here, fuck it. Oh, you're fucking kidding me, are you serious? Thank god, dude, just fucking die already. Die already! Well, these guys are so tough! Fucking god. Oh, no. A fucking race ahead. Get over here. Get away from me, you asshole. But yeah, like, so this is what I've got right now. So I got this one because I think it's supposed to be like the best weapon right now. Like it does the most damage, so that's why I got it. I mean, I don't know how true that is, but yeah. Yeah, I'm not sure where I'm supposed to go. Like, there's such a lot of different ways about it. Oh yeah, MC, how did your dad's fucking workout go? Getting swole, getting big gains. I think there's nothing here though. Actually, wait, can I use this one here? Heal like. Oh no, there's not enemies here though. Oh, okay. I thought there'd be like some enemies there, but there's nothing. Okay, that's strange. Oh, you're kidding me, dude. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Oh, actually, oh, dude, I got so lucky. Oh my god, why can't I hear you? There you go. Pro tip, when the Plagas hit appears, yeah. You know that, yeah, I learned that as well, yeah. But like, I don't want to waste them because I think flash grenades are very strong, right? Like, they're very, very good. Like, I don't want to waste them. Am I going the right way? I'm not sure. Do I have to go this way? I think I have to go this way, right? Yeah, this way here. What's up here, though? What's up here? Oh, is that it? Oh, that's it, yeah. Oh wait, hold on. But yeah, on which console did you play the game, by the way? Because you played on the PS2 or the GameCube when it came out. Not sure. He left pretty quick, so he thinks he might have just been going pretty. Oh, gotcha. Already full enough. Yeah, I don't think it's up here then. So... Oh yeah. There we go. What the fuck? Oh no. Oh fuck me, where is that? I don't see him though. Oh, I see him. I got it. Fuck you. Oh, I missed. I should have done it before. I messed that one up. the fuck was that? Was that RPG? Ah, no, where is it? No, where is MC? Thank you for standing by. Thank you. Have a good night, dude. Have a good night, my man. Have a good one. Well, thank you for the follow, dude. Appreciate that. Thank you. Yeah, I'm gonna be playing Resident Evil 5 at some point. I'm not sure if I'll be doing that like right away. Oh, it almost fucking killed me! Holy shit! So I got that to look forward to. Number 5. Do you mind fucking dying, please? Dude, they're so fucking good. Are you gonna go? No worries, dude. Thank you again for staying on, dude. I appreciate you, dude. Thank you also for the follow. Thank you. Means a lot to me. Okay. Shit. Where do I go here? Oh, there we go. Let's play that. Whee! Oh, I should get quite a bit of money. Cool. Wait, hold on. I'll jump that. That will open that up, which I'm guessing is gonna be more enemies or what? Is that gonna be more enemies or? It is gonna be a lot more enemies. Cool. Oh no, I'm trapped with. Oh, are you kidding me? What the fuck? Do I want to? Okay, here we go. Yeah, I wanna look in the back. So I want him to come here into me so I can actually speak him. Now they're coming for me. Watch. Oh, they're not. Oh shit, they're like right here. Yeah, that's what I didn't want to happen, but it happened. Alright, I'm out to use this one here. Is that like a machine gun or? Wait. Oh, you're kidding me, right? Die. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god, dude, die, please, thank you. Oh my god, so many enemies here, that's crazy. Are you kidding me? Nothing there. Oh, thank you. Yeah, I think I need to take more shotguns, yeah. Because it is, Oh, I have to open the map, and then the other one. How do I get across? How do I get across this question? I think I have to go jump down here, jump down. Oh, keep fighting about the fucking grenades, bro. Oh, of course you fucking do that to me now. Dude, I got no health. I'm so fucked right now. Oh, you're shitting me right now. I was like, you're kidding me right now. Alright. I have to use Prisoner Kid if I can. Actually, yeah, maybe I should have jumped into the machine gun. Yeah, that might have been that might have been the thing that I needed to do to make it easier for me. Yeah, these sections are fucking difficult, my dude. They're crazy hard. Oh, we actually didn't even go there. Oh, we got some Magnum, which is good. We got some Magnum, which is good. So we can actually use this for later if we need to. Oh, that's good actually. Yeah, hold on. Hopefully, like a doctor here, the safe one here, maybe if we can. Oh. Oh, are you shitting me right now? Why are there so many here? The fuck? How am I supposed to deal with this many?
Take cover!
So who's this guy actually?
When we get out of here, drinks are on me.
Yeah, hey, I know a good bar.
Oh no! Fucking, of course. That was Leon's fucking fault, dude. He destructed the guy. Fucking Leon, dude, come on. So overconfident. Come on, bro. See, you fucked it up, Leon. God damn it, Leon.
I'll make sure you're the next to go, Saddler.
Sadler.
Ooh, I'm sorry, Leon.
Saddler, you bastard!
It's nothing to get all upset about. Don't tell me you've never swatted a bothersome fly. In essence, it's the same thing.
What did you say? Insects' life doesn't compare to human lives.
When you've acquired this power, you too will understand.
Guess it's another good reason to get the parasite out of my body.
I wish you luck.
Oh, actually, that's a lot of resources we can use. This guy doesn't value human life. What a piece of shit, dude. Come on, bro. Yeah, always value human life. What a what? Rest in peace, homie. I love you, man. Mike, I'll make sure you pay. God damn it, Mike. They killed Mike. He's on some bitches. Hi, homie. I mean, yeah. I mean, that's the first time that we've met Mike in the whole game, I think. So, yeah. I don't feel too attached to the guy. But, yeah. It is what it is, right? Oh, I don't have the support though, so it'll be a lot harder now because I don't have the homie, like, you know, helping me like kill all these assholes. Oh, that'll give me some money, cool. That will give me some money. Oh, is that
Leon,
that's the
you okay?
Yeah.
He's becoming one of them.
Sorry, Ada.
Are you gonna stab in the fucking leg? How you even standing up, brother? Holy shit. I just some pills.
We have to get that parasite out of your body.
Yeah. But before that, I gotta save Ashley.
Fine. Let's split up.
Gonna save the cutie patootie Ashley. Alright, cool. Oh, cool. Okay. Oh, but there's no, Oh, what's that? What's that? What the hell is this? I shot it, so I killed it. Is the... Oh, you're shitting me right now, really? Oh my god. Can I kill it with this though, or no? Is the guy here though? Is the Oh, he's not here though, is he? Oh, that's so... Okay, so there's no more, There's no more, homie here. No more, guy to give me the, to sell me items, right? Is he? Alright, so I guess I'm gonna have to stay here. Stay here for now. Okay. Going to leave it there, and I'll see you guys very soon.